Welcome back to TyeTye&Co XOX. Today we're going to be making some body scrubs, 2 salt scrubs, and a sugar scrub. So I am really excited. These are our beautiful creations that we're making today. Also, if you guys are looking for someone else to follow with really great content, she does makeup tutorials as well as getting to know her a little bit better where she does one-on-one talks. Check out Marvelocity XO. She is a fellow YouTuber and a great friend. I miss her and I'm sending love to her from Virginia to Florida. So let's get started. And also a shout out to Kimberly J, my girl, and Tanya Weaver. You guys were looking for another craft video to get into. So without further ado, let's get started. I will be using 100% natural Himalayan pink salt as well as light brown sugar and sea salt as well. Dove Deep Moisture Body Wash, coconut oil, vitamin E, and some oil from my personal collection. All of these jars can be purchased from the Dollar Tree. Get started with our first salt scrub. The first one I'm going to be doing with some Dove Deep Moisturizing Body Wash. I'm going to be using the Coarse Salt, which is my favorite, some vitamin E, liquid coconut oil, and some fragrance here to put in it. And we'll be using this container, and I like it because it has rubber around here and a nice little clasp. So let's get started. So the first thing that you'll need is a bowl and a spoon to mix everything. So first things first, we are going to put in some of our soap in here. And I'm going to be kind of mixing it and putting some in, mixing it and putting some in, just because I don't want to make too much of a batch at one time. Now I am adding my salt, and I'm kind of eyeballing this, not measuring today. See the consistency that I want, and I want there to be a good amount of salt for my bath time in here. I'm just mixing this up. Test it out by what you use on a regular basis, like from drugstore ones that you use. Do you like a little bit more solution or more salt? So I'm gonna mix this. And I can kind of tell that I can use a little bit more soap in here and it'll still hold into this container. So add some more. Body oil in the scent Gardenia. You can use any scent that you like, or you can put some essential oils in at this time. So now I am just going to stir this up here. Ooh, this is going to be so good. I can already tell. I'm going to add a little bit more salt in here. Right. now we're ready, and I'm going to put it into my container. I really like to use a salt scrub to help exfoliate during shower time. Some people put it next to their sinks in the kitchen or in their bathroom to use after they or during hand washing. Is really nice. It kind of gives you that spa feeling, even though you're at home. So I'm going to make a little bit more to put in here. I'll have you watch me do the same instructions. So after that, you're literally done with this easy project. You'll just close it up, and then after that, it's ready to be decorated. So we're gonna make the next two, and then I'll show you how you decorate this little pretty gift here. Right, so let's get into the second batch of bath salts. So this time I'm going to be using the pink salt, which is a fine grade, and like I told you, this came from the Dollar Tree, which I still cannot believe that. Such a good find. They also have the more coarser salt at the Dollar Tree as well. I'm just gonna put some salt in this one. I am going to put coconut oil in this batch as well as some vitamin E. And then if you have perfume laying around, you can use some perfume in your batch, or you could choose not to put any in there. This is Moonlight Path, which I love. And actually, I forgot, this is going to be our base, so I'm putting in more vitamin E and coconut oil in here. So let's stir this and get a consistency that we like. Right, so we have this beautiful holographic pink salt scrub, and we're going to move on to the next one. All right, so for our last sugar scrub that we're going to be doing today, our last scrub is actually going to be a sugar scrub, and we're just going to use natural products for this. No fragrance for the people that can't take fragrances. We're going to use Butcher Boy 100% pure refined coconut oil for this, and I got this from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to open this up. This, as you can see, is more of a solid mixture. I'm gonna go over some super cute items that you can use to decorate that are from the Dollar Tree. I found these cute flowers, as well as a little cute windmill that you can use especially with a holographic jar. And then I found these ribbons, and these are mermaid inspired. And as you can see, there are 4 different types that I found at my local Dollar Tree. So let's get started decorating. So to decorate this holographic jar, I picked this ribbon here, beautiful mermaid ribbon. And I went ahead and measured this jar to see how much ribbon I would need. So the first one I'm going to put around like this. I'm going to put a dollop of glue, hot glue. Put that right on top. See that there? And then I'm going to make sure it comes around the top of the lid. And then I'm going to put some glue on here. Alright, so after you do that, that's what it looks like. And then I cut a much longer piece of ribbon. This jar, I'm going to add my Dollar Tree roses to the top of it, and I'm just going to take 2 of each, pop them right off like this. 2 dark pink and 2 light pink, and then I'm just going to kind of assemble them like this with some hot glue. So we'll put a little glue, pop one there. Press it, put a little glue in between there so it'll stay. Then one more. Pop this right in here. Hold it for a couple seconds. And you have this cute little jar. All right, let's decorate the last jar. For my last little cute mason jar, I'm going to take some more of my ribbon that I've pre-cut. I'm going to wrap it around the middle of my jar. So, and right here I'm going to connect it. So I'm going to put a little dot of glue right there. Then I'm going to place my ribbon, hold it there for a second, wrap it around the middle. Dot of glue, and that's that for that. And then I had a little tiny flower just sitting around the house, where you can find these at Michael's or anywhere, just a little rosette. I'm going to put a dab of glue on the top of here, and then just put this right on top, and it is ready to go. Easy peasy, beautiful little mason jar. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment on this video, and we will see you next time.